Hello, my name is Ferhat Öztürk, and I'm an associate professor of instruction at the Integrative Biology Department. I'm the project director of Honey Pathway program, which is funded by USDA NIFA's Next Gen program. So Honey Pathway actually it's an acronym. So Honey is composed of 5 letters, as you know, and Honey is for honeybee, oriented, next gen, entrepreneurs, and youth. So it is Honey Pathway. The basic objective is to educate the students, undergraduate and graduate students of UTSA about medicinal properties of honey, and as well as honeybee biology and also beekeeping.
I always saw myself in the science field, but I didn't exactly know where I fit in. So through the Cures class, I actually got a lot of confidence in handling science equipment, preparing yourself for procedures, and actually analyzing and explaining your results. A lot of the coursework was made to not only support me in my research, but as well as encourage me to look for it in a career.
And majority of our students are pre-health professionals. So this is significantly helping their resumes because they have research experience and they're learning about honey and medicine. So actually our motto is where honey meets medicine, the Honey Pathway.